So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this up on the screen here. So without further ado, let's go. Let's see my knife, guys. Yeah. Oh, got my nice little battering dagger. Whew. Gotta open this box. Try not to cut anything. Just need to cut open a little hole in it, and then I'll rip it open. Alright, now let's rip that open. Alright guys, look at this. That's all that's in the box. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright, let's see how this works. Get the bag open. Oh my. By the way, I wear size 13 shoes. As you can see over there, I got my Jordans. Size 13. I am actually 6'2". Let me get this stuff out of the bag. Alright guys, look at this. Here we got the fins. These are supposed to be some real nice things. Of course, this is a $60 US thing for these two things. Let me take them out of the plastic. Ugh. Got one of them out. And I got the fins out. Okay. Impressive. So guys, here's the fins. I'm about to test them out later this week when I go to the pool. And I'll put a second part video to this. But now let me go unbox some mask. Alright guys. Let's see. So you have to screw this thing on here. Just like that. Alright guys, I'm throwing the mask. Let me see the tutorial, the manual. The manual right here. Okay, so pull the strap. Here's the camera mount. It says to stick that on top. Oh, here's the camera mount right here, guys. Comes with a camera mount so you can screw it on. Oh shit, bro, don't tell me I gotta screw some shit on here, bro. Because this video was taking like years to make it, that's the case. If y'all can't tell, I'm not really engineer guy when it comes to putting stuff together. Alright, let's see. I'm trying, guys, just give me some time. You know I'm not good at this. I'm gonna need when it comes to putting stuff together. Oh shoot, I think I found it out. Yeah, hold on. The fins. These things. They're supposed to be state of the art. Alright. Key features: anti-leak silicone, okay. 180-degree panoramic view, adjustable straps, anti-fog design. Anti-fog design is definitely true, and so is the adjustable straps, and so is the panoramic 180 degrees view. Now, dry top system. How does that work? I'm not sure. Foldable tube. The tube is foldable. It supports a camera mount. Now, premium polymer vet blade. Where is that at? I'm not even sure what the fucking premium polymer blade is, so it's probably there. And then we got reinforced blade rails. That's true. Adjustable straps, yeah. Quick release buckle, yeah. Non-slip sole, yeah. Drain hose, yep. It has those right there. These are the drain hose. Okay. Now, let's see. Well, how do I put these things on? Has some styrofoam in them. We got some styrofoam inside of them. Take that styrofoam right out. Let me put my glasses back on so I can sit in. Alright. There you go. Let me put these on. Oh dang, that's comfortable. Holy. Alright, I'm gonna add 1 star to my review from there. Because it's comfortable. Easy to walk in, I can say that. Alright, it's good. So, I'm gonna have to say, it's good. Alright guys, so let's go back to the chair. Guys, so overall, I think it's worth buying for only 60 bucks. I would recommend it. It comes with the bag also, that bag is included. I'd say it's a 4.5 star, that's my review on it. But anyways, that's me. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Later.